nika ke indoda enkulu. This is Baba Dr. Baba Sizojabula mfana namhlanje yakhe emzolo abancinci. Yeah. Lana ngifuna ukuthi ke sikhulumeke lento la. Lento ngifuna ungayithathi personal. But kunezinto ezizokugweba. Kunezinto ezizojaja ekugcineni. If at your age you are a father of 2, ingane yakho ogcinina 19, lo mfana una 26 years, lo mfana usemithisile futhi, kunomzukulu ozayo. But wena if endweni zakho ozenzayo as a father who is 51 years old, ungafuni ukusebenzisa i-intellectual yakho hoping that lento angifuni ube sathi abantu angifuni kube sathi ngi-antichrist kakhulu. Uma uthi uzosebenzisa i-belief system yakho, ake senze nje just because we're making an example, not ukuthi we're persecuting a certain individual of believing system. Uthi uzosebenzisa uthi wena ayi uNkulunkulu uzobona, ayi ushempu uzobona, uyena ozongenzela zonke izinto, uthengo lenkosazana uzongisiza, inyanga izolo izongisiza. Lezo zinto lezo uma uthi umoya ongcwele uyaphendula, uzophendula manje, azizuzwenze ngoba sibona abantu abaningi not doing anything that they're supposed to be doing. But bona it will happen. That is why Africa produce more pastors and prophets than AI engineers, AI specialists. Other countries like Germany, France, Poland, they are producing more AI specialists compared to kuthina. Ngoba ababelieve ukuthi bangamaKristu indeed, but abanayo into ethi they'll surrender everything to their belief system and they don't do anything with their hands. Engisho ukuthi izandla zakho ziwubufakazi ukuthi ayenzi wena into ofuza ukuthi ngabe uyayenza. Ekseni isikhathi ovuka ngaso asikufanele lesa sikhathi. Wena njengoba ungena u8 usuppose ukuthi uvuke ngo5. Uma ungena u8 emsebenzini usuppose ukuthi uvuke ngo5. Uma uvuka ngo5 uyovula i-laptop yakho. Uyovula i-PC yakho. Uyovula ifoni yakho. Ungena ku-internet kukhona into ozenzayo lapha yana ezikwenza ukuthi uprogress. You understand? Ngoba lento othi wena I will pray, God will answer. No, God is not going to answer a person who doesn't do anything. Do something that God will favor you. Akube khona into oyenzayo kuqala